Hello everyone, this is Lifestyle Gardener. Today I'm going to ferment some fruits inside local honey that they sell on the island, but they sell this honey inside of the store, but it's local honey and it's non-pasteurized honey. So if you're going to do this, you need non-pasteurized honey. Make sure you look for that on the bottle. So I'm going to do different ingredients. I'm going to use lemon, pomegranate, ginger, and turmeric. So some of these ferments, I am going to ferment them completely at room temperature for 4 weeks. And some of them I'm going to ferment it after 3 days. I'm going to ferment it in the fridge after 3 days. So you can watch and see what I'm going to do. So make sure you leave some space for the honey infuse to release gas so that it doesn't overflow when you open it. So try to not fill it up all the way. So you can see I didn't fill it up all the way, I left some space. And I top it off with honey. You notice how this lid is brown? This is a peanut butter lid. Don't throw away the peanut butter lid if you buy peanut butter from the grocery store. And the mayonnaise lids, keep them because it's the same size as the pint and a half bottles. The lid, so you can save it for when you want to store stuff in it. I sterilized these bottles in hot water before doing that. So now I'm going to put the pomegranate and the lemon inside this bottle. So in between doing this, I'm going to top it off with honey. I'm going to do that for all of the bottles. This is definitely a messy process. If you're liking the video so far, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. My husband introduced me on putting honey in my tea and coffee every morning, and I think that was one of the things that also helped reduce my symptoms for allergies, because when I was younger my allergies was a lot worse than how it is now. From 100% to 0, I can say my allergies is about 5% strong. So 5 to 2% strong, because I don't sneeze every day like how I used to sneeze back in the days. I think it also have to do with your lifestyle and with your diet and with your immune system. So if your immune system is really low, and if you eat really bad, or if you eat stuff that you're allergic to and you don't know, it makes your allergy symptoms worse. This is so pretty. Wow. What do you guys think? You think it's pretty? I think it is. So every day, at least for 2 weeks, if you're going to store it outside, you have to shake it up like this. Mix up the honey and the fruits. Make sure they're covered with the honey. After you open it up, you do that. After you open it up and close it back up, you make sure it's coated with the honey. So I'm gonna make the other one now with ginger and lemon slice. I think this one is going to taste so delicious. After you guys ferment this for 1 month, whether in the fridge or outside, you can use this in your tea, or coffee, or in water. Basically any kind of drinks that you think will taste good, you can put it inside. And the point of doing this, you need to eat the ginger, eat the turmeric, the pomegranate. You don't need to eat the lemon slice, but if you can do that too, go ahead and do that. It's extra fiber that it won't hurt you. This is a natural immune system builder too. So this is very good to do if you get the chance to do that. Oh my gosh, it's similar to lemon against the ginger and honey. It smells so nice in here. It smells like lemonade. Because I made such a mess with the ginger and the rim like this, I'm making sure I wipe it down with a paper towel and water. So I removed any stickiness from the honey, and I remove any pieces of ginger slice on the top of the bottle. Then I will close it up.
I got nothing to worry about when you're by my side.
So this one I'm just going to do just ginger alone with honey. I'm trying different flavor so that next time when I do this I will know what I like the most and just choose one of them. Or if I like all of them, the next time I can just do all of them again. I know this is gonna last for a very long time. It's good to have this natural solution to use to boost your immune system throughout the year. Because in my other video I told you guys that honey never goes bad and it naturally preserves anything that you put into it.
Got nothing to worry about when you're by my side.
I'm glad I bought 2 bottles.
I got nothing to worry about when you're by my side.
Yeah, honey is
I bled from the wound for
it's really expensive, but I can see why
myself up.
it's expensive. If you've been to a honey farm, you see why honey is so expensive.
You hoisted me up. You were there, holding my hand. You were there, holding my hand. Holding my hand. Holding my hand. I got nothing to worry about.
So another thing I forgot to tell you guys, make sure you guys don't store anything that have a metal lid like this inside
I got nothing to worry
for no more than 1 month if you're going to
by my side.
do that. because I'm planning on after 1 month remove the lid and put it in a different bottle and use it up quickly. This one is just a ginger alone. I'm planning on finishing it up before the others. And if I don't finish it up, I'm gonna put it in another bottle afterwards. After 1 month. So now I'm going to make one with lemon, turmeric, and one with turmeric alone. So this one is going to be the lemon and turmeric.
Got nothing to worry about when you're by my side. I got nothing to worry about when you're by my side. I bled from the wound for at least a year. I couldn't clean myself up.
Oh, I forgot to put the honey first.
You hoisted me up. You were there, holding my hand.
The ginger and the turmeric is organic, so and it smells really fresh. It smells really good. And turmeric is so good for you, but if you put too much of it in your cooking, it makes your food taste a little bit too bitter if you put too much. You only need a little bit to flavor your food. That's what I find.
You're by my side.
So I just remember that they always recommend to put some black pepper with turmeric, or if you don't have black pepper, you could use any kind of fat. So I'm going to put turmeric in the honey. I'm going to put black pepper in the honey with the turmeric and lemon to help the body even more with the turmeric. It's going to even work even more better with that. I'm going to stir it in. Make sure top this off with some more honey, and then I'm going to wipe down it, the top part of it, and then close it up. So if you guys need to use a spoon to stir it, if you don't want to shake it back and forth with the lid on, make sure the spoon is made from wood or plastic. They don't recommend you use any metal spoon. So stay tuned, and I'm going to tell you guys what I'm going to do with each one of these afterwards. So this is the finished product. You can see I have leftover lemons and pomegranate. If I want, I could If I wanted, I could fill it up with more honey, or I could infuse this in vodka. If I wanted, I could infuse this in some sort of alcohol for added bonus, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep this, maybe soak it overnight in the fridge in plain water and drink it throughout the day, and keep refilling it with water. So this is the pomegranate with the honey, and this is the ginger and honey, and this is the ginger and honey and lemon, and this is the pomegranate with lemon and honey. I think that this one looked the best. And this is the turmeric with lemon and honey. What I'm going to do, I want to test out this for myself. So I'm going to let the lemon and ginger and the pomegranate with the lemon ferment completely outside of the refrigerator for 30 days. And the turmeric with the lemon and the ginger with the honey and the pomegranate with the honey, I'm going to leave them out for 3 days, and then I will store it in the fridge. So each one of these, you have to open it daily, at least for 2 weeks, and stir it or shake it with a wooden spoon or plastic spoon. And as it ferments, it's going to release the juice. So that's why I said to leave some space for some headroom. I think I should have leave more space for this one. It might overspill, but that's okay. I'm going to put a tray underneath each one of them, so if the honey spill over, it will go on the tray. And for the metal lid, the one with the metal lid, if you want, you could put a coffee filter in between the lids. If you can't find any plastic lids to do that with. Anyhow, you guys, after 30 days, you guys can start using it. Or if you don't want to ferment it too long, you can start using it right away after 3 days. But the longer you let it ferment, the better it will be for your immune system, and the better the honey will infuse with the herbs and fruits that you put inside it. Anyhow, you guys, I'll talk to you another day. Bye.